Today we are here at the KCCA Agriculture Research Center facility located in Chanja. They have some rooms. They are open on Wednesdays and Saturdays. When you read there, yeah, that's the time. You can freely visit it. They sell some seedlings. They sell some a different kind of agriculture products that you can get from this place. So we're going to have a visit. One thing, it's best to come in closed shoes. When you come in closed shoes, it's easy to disinfect the shoes because they require you to disinfect the shoes when you come. You first register. Happy New Year, Sebo.
Thank you.
On the entry, we had to check in and register.
Which one? That's lavender.
Right after registering, we had to smell these leafy plants, and they were smelling really good.
Isn't it rosemary? No, it's not. Kale. It's not
We had
rosemary.
to go find the person
Because
who will be
rosemary is
giving us
really
the
sharp
tour.
like this.
This place has been here since 2013. Today we're going to start with vegetables.
This kind of setup.
Here is what we call
And
a
we
food
are growing
tower.
vegetables. This is backyard farming.
Okay.
We are training farmers how to grow vegetables in a small space.
Okay.
And this is a food tower
Food tower.
with different plants.
Okay.
And vertical way of farming, you find that in this space you have very many plants in a small space. And if you decide to plant them direct, you need a lot of space. So you see we have, it is poles. Yes, this is sukuma. So you can see that we have used the poles and a mesh,
Okay.
but we mix soil and we feed in the garden, and then we plant different vegetables on the side. On the side we have planted sukuma wiki, and then on top we have cabbage. Yes, and very many plants on this
Can
tower
I go
garden.
there?
Yes.
Can I stand?
Yes.
Oh.
On this tower garden.
So it's not just cabbages.
Yes, cabbage and sukuma.
Oh.
Cabbage on top, then sukuma on the side. Leafy vegetables are planted on the side.
Leafy vegetables.
Yes. Then
You plant them on the side.
Yes.
Cabbages is leafy too, but it's heavy.
Yeah,
So
they
that's
have
why
it
it sits on the front.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Yes.
Then is this tower, what is it, natural loam soil, or you mix it with fertilizers?
Manure.
What
We
kind
mix-
of manure do
We
you
mix
use?
soil with farmyard manure.
Right.
Animal droppings.
Okay.
Poultry, piggery.
Mm.
Yes, we mix together and feed in, put in the garden.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
And it has a column of stones for water saturation
There.
during the dry season.
Okay.
Yes, that helps to saturate water.
So that's
In the
the
garden.
so you placed a mesh in the middle,
Yes,
and then in you filled it with stones.
Yes.
So when you are watering, you just pour on that in the stones,
Yes.
and then it goes into the
Ah,
rest of the.
yes.
I see. Oh, okay.
So you have very many plants in a small space.
Nice.
But here we have only sukuma and cabbage right
Yes,
now.
yes.
Sukuma and
What else
cabbage.
can we grow?
You can grow leafy vegetables. All most of the leafy vegetables can be planted on the side. Then you tomatoes, machina, eggplant, those are the egg feeders of plants.
How do you make sure they are not diseased?
You can spray using organic pesticides
Like?
and fungicides. Like investing is the pesticide you can use and it's organic.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm.
Then you can use also soda bicarbonate, which is
Baking soda.
the baking soda,
Okay.
which works as a fungicide to prevent the fungal development. Yes.
The natural one, the natural baking soda that we used to cook.
That the one you use they mix in
Water.
in blend.
What are the proportions that you use to mix?
That socket,
Mm.
you mix it in 10 liters of water.
That Casmo socket.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Because it's affordable even. Like it's only 1K. Wow. So, how long has this one been in place?
This has been here for more than 10 years.
Oh,
So you keep growing every year.
do you crop rotate? So when you remove the leafy, do you again put back leafy or you change?
Different families.
This is what? This is which family is this?
Blasters family.
Plasters. Then there you can add in the solanese or the horticulture.
Yes, that's all honestly. Like
Hey.
tomatoes,
Mm.
lettuce.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And how about the soil? Do you keep feeding it with fertilizers? Because after you mix together, you can't mix again.
Yes.
Do you now spray in the fertilizers?
Every season you mix in the manure.
So you first remove everything and mix manure in the soil and then plant again.
Yes.
Oh.
These ones have become old.
Okay. How long do this sukuma wiki take?
You can harvest a year.
In 1 year?
Yeah, you can harvest
For a whole year.
Yes.
But how long does it take from planting to harvest? 2 months. I'm seeing some cabbages are like yellowish. What's that? Why?
Where?
Like here and there. And
that,
there.
That has been a pest infestation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, it's a pest infestation. The plants to spray.
It goes.
Yeah.
Nice.
So is this sold or consumed?
So
Why?
it's for business.
Mm.
Yes.
Where do you normally do this? Is it like
We
people
sell
come
people
here?
come in.
Oh, awesome.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I love this.
So great.
I know. So which one are you going to
It
next?
allows you to grow many vegetables in a small space. Think of it like backyard farming. It's backyard farming style. Training farmers how to grow vegetables in a small space. You can grow so many vegetables, but this particular tower that we're looking at today only has sukuma wiki, or you can call it kale, and cabbages. You put the lighter vegetables on the side and then the heavier vegetables in the middle. So for this one, the cabbages are in the middle on top of the tower and kale is on the side. In terms of construction, you've been told you use poles and mesh. Then mix the soil with fertilizers, good loam soil, and then fill your tower. Then plant in your seeds. You can plant different vegetables. When it comes to growing in the tower, you can grow almost any leafy vegetable, but they still need care. you need to spray for the pesticides, the insecticide, the water, and also to administer fertilizers by spraying. We were taught of the use of baking soda as a fungicide. You get that small packet and mix it in 1 liter. This tower has been here for 10 years. They keep rotating the crops from different vegetable families to other vegetable families. Now, before you change to another vegetable family, you have to first remove everything and remix the soil, plus add in fertilizers. Don't just rotate the crops without changing the soil. You remove the soil, you can change it or just remix it and add in different ingredients so that you can have a good start for the next season. When it comes to sukuma wiki, it takes 2 months to reach harvest period, and when you start to harvest, you can harvest for a whole year.